Check out this awesome restoration of an old bike. Engine missing? No problem. They hauled in a new compressor engine. And yes, that means a whole host of work needs to be done. But it'll be totally worth it in the end. The frame cut apart to accommodate this beast of a new engine. The engine riding low on this new frame, so some new pipe and framing needs to be built around it. Cut and bent into shape. This is a next level custom. And with those two pieces cut to length and angled correctly, they're welded together. And it looks like a perfect fit for the new compression engine. Now to lay it down and start spacing out the wheels around it, checking to make sure that it's level, of course. And then those frame extensions can be welded into place. You saw it go dark there for just a minute. A good time for a safety reminder. If ever taking a project like this on, safety has to come first. Work in a well-ventilated area where all the personal protective equipment read the manufacturer's instructions whenever dealing with chemicals or industrial equipment. Now 2 posts added to the frame. Those in the end will support the seat. A few more supports added, framing around that engine and ensuring that the wheels are in there, nice and tight. Now to add another gear to turn the chain. Just check that out. And even a cool custom pedal being added. Almost connected, tapped into place, and then the tension adjusted. Perfect. Now to get that chain to the rear wheel. With a few links tightened into place, it's ready to go. Now to install that seat. Looks like a lowrider to me. Tightened into place, just for effect. That gas tank rested over top. Now to get those handles adjusted and those brake lines sorted out. Without the brakes, this bike won't be safe to ride. So the line is run through and connected to the front and rear wheels. And speaking of safety devices, the brakes, a little more important than that front light until the sun goes down. With the lights connected and the brake line finally sorted, it's time to take this bad boy for a spin. Check out that awesome compression engine custom-made bike. An amazing design, a resourceful design.